Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to work with the FxPro Broker dashboard. When we enter the trading cabin in the FxPro Broker, you will see the Quick Access option in the left menu, which is for quick access to important sections of the dashboard. The next section is the Wallet, which is the section for managing your wallet balance and financial transactions. The next section is Account to view your trading accounts and settings related to your trading accounts. In this section, you will see the real trading account and demo accounts. By clicking the Open Nemo Account option, you can open a demo trading account and operate in the demo space. In this section, you can see Create New Account, which allows you to create a new account. The Trading Accounts section is related to your trading accounts and is used to manage your real trading accounts. Currently, we do not have an active trading account. With the FxPro Broker, in the Demo Accounts section, which is specifically for demo accounts to practice trading without any risk. In this section, there is a button to create a new demo account. And by clicking on it, you can select the details of the demo account, such as the balance amount and the type of account. In this section, there is an option under the Create New Account heading, which is for creating a new account, and you will see a box at the top of the page. This is for receiving rewards through inviting friends, and by clicking on this option, you can see the related items. The next section in this menu is the Tools option, where we have tools related to market analysis or trading. The last part includes educational resources and analytical tools for the market. In the Parent section, you can see your wallet, which includes information such as your username, wallet number, and current balance. Your total balance in the wallet is displayed in this section. The Fund option is for adding funds to your wallet, and the Transfer option is for transferring money between your different accounts. When you have balance in your wallet, the Withdraw option is related to withdrawing balance. It will be activated for you. In the Transaction History section, you can view the details of your previous financial transactions, and by clicking on this option, more information will be displayed to you. In the Tools section, you can see the FxPro dashboard, which is the main dashboard for viewing the overall status of your account and your trades. In the next part of the economic calendar is for viewing important market events, and the next section is the calculator, which is for calculating trading parameters such as trading volume or your margin. In the Analysis and Training section, you will see the presentation of market news and analytical information in the Scoop section and in the Trading Central section. There are advanced tools for technical analysis and trading signals are available, and by clicking on this option, you will enter this section. This page is about technical analysis from the Trading Central tool on the FxPro platform, which is presented in various sections for analyzing Forex indices and caps. For example, in the analysis of the pound to dollar, it is suggested that above this number. Let's take a look at the buying positions. And in this section, this chart provides more details about the analysis. In the lower left menu, as you can see, you can use this QR code to download the FxPro app on your mobile and take advantage of our features. There are specific download buttons for iOS and Android operating systems. In this section, in the top menu under the Profile section, you can see Personal Details, which is for viewing and editing your account's personal information. In the next section, Contact Details, which is related to managing your contact information and email address. The next part is about uploading documents for identification, residence, and verification. Because you need to upload documents, this section is for uploading the necessary documents to verify your account. In the next section, Become a Partner is for joining the partnership program with FxPro. If you're interested, click on the Become a Partner option to complete the registration details in this section. The next section is related to this white label, sending invitations to your friends to join the FxPro platform. The next section is related to Manage Bank Details, where you can manage your bank account details. By clicking on the Add Bank Details option, you can add information about your new bank account in this section. The next section is Legal Documentation. It shows you access to legal documents and the terms of use for it. The next section is about closing your account. By clicking on this option, you will complete the steps related to closing your account. And there is a Logout option to exit your account. This menu is designed for the complete management of your settings and personal information. In the Notification section, you will see messages related to your account, market updates and analysis, trading options such as margin calls, or other events related to your trading. Announcements of special offers and promotions offered by the FxPro broker will also be displayed to you in this section. By clicking on this section, you can view new notifications and take the necessary actions. In the Notifications section, you will see important messages related to your trading account, market updates and analysis, trading options such as margin calls or other trading events, and special offers and promotions that you may not have heard of. The FxPro broker is presented to you in this section. By clicking on this section, you can view new notifications and take the necessary actions. In the next section, which is the Support section, if you need the support team to contact you, do the following manually. To contact the FxPro support team, please use this section and consider that your information is in, and given that your phone number and email address are locked, enter your suggested time for the call in this section, and the support team will contact you at the specified time. After entering the suggested time, click on the option to contact. In the feedback section, you can also provide a brief explanation of the problem or question you have in this section. And in the language section, a list of available languages will be displayed from which you can select your preferred language. This feature helps users from different parts of the world to easily use the platform in their native language. Changing the language will update all the text, menus, and options in the selected language. In the Settings section, as you can see in the menu at the top of the page, there is a rotating icon related to. This is the Platform Settings section. In the first part, switch to dark theme activates dark mode for the user interface, making it easier to use in low light environments. The next part is password settings, which is for changing or managing your account password. The next section is language settings, where you can change the user interface language to your preferred language. In the email settings section, you manage your email settings, such as changing your email or receiving FART notifications. In the next section, Authentication settings, you can manage your security settings, such as enabling two-factor authentication. By clicking on the Turn On option, you can complete the necessary steps for this section, and it will be activated for you. This menu is designed to personalize the user experience and enhance security. To change the theme of your trading dashboard in the FxPro broker, just click on this option. As you can see, the dark mode of the trading dashboard has been activated for you. To deactivate this option again, click on the switch to light theme, and you activate the light mode. In the bottom right corner of the page, you can see the chat or message icon, which is for live chat and allows you to communicate directly with the FxPro support team. Live support is usually active during business hours, and it may take a few seconds to a few minutes for them to respond to you. Through the messengers, you can connect with the support team, and by clicking on this option, a page will open for you where you can instantly enter your topic and question, and wait for a response from one of the support experts.
In this video, we tried to explain all the parts of the Slave FxPro in a simple and easy way.
Let us explain so you can use it easily. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to ask in the comments or message the TradingFinder support. Wishing you success and profitability.